The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey, my youth, you know where I watch? Dancehall. Alright, viewers and subscribers, my name is Dancehall. I am here again. Big up and respect to each and everyone. Now, have you ever heard a Jamaican call a man a Maama man before? Yeah, Maama man. You see me? Have you ever heard a Jamaican call a man Maama man, like, hey, ya Maama man, or so forth? You see me? Now, I try to find out what's the meaning of Maama man, and I get many different answers. You see me? Some people say that Maama man mean a man who talks about woman, or in Jamaican term, chat woman, or a man who disrespect woman, or a man who beat woman, or a man who's unkind to a woman. You mean like they mean like a man who will not give money to woman and so forth. You see me? Anyways, I have a video that I'm going to present to you, and you know, I want you to take a look at this video and tell me if this video shows the meaning of a Maama man. You see me? I want you to look at this video and tell me if it shows what's the meaning of a Maama man, or if it shows the meaning of a Maama man. You see what I'm saying to you? This video is out on social media where it is said that a man asks a woman to pay her part of a bill after they both ate at a restaurant. You see what I say? Viewers and subscribers, I want to take a look and observe with me at this video. Alright? Observe with me.
So you owe about 20. It's I'm 15. I got 15.
You said what?
My meal finished. Huh?
You playing, huh?
You said what?
You playing with me, right?
Playing with you? Why?
What do you mean out 20? Like what
You owe
does
20.
that mean?
I mean your meal was 20
What does that
bucks.
my meal was 20 bucks?
Yeah, your meal was 20 bucks.
Okay. So what are you here for?
What do you mean what I'm here for?
What are you here for? That's my question.
Viewers and subscribers, and I real that man is serious. That man is serious like a judge. You see me? I say, well, it's just a way of speaking, but really and truly though, $20. I mean, I'm be disrespectful now. $20. Now there must be some reason why this man do or say the things he said. You see me? I said it's something. There must be something. Make a listen some more. Observe with me.
I didn't ask you to come on a date. You asked me to come on a date.
Yeah, I asked you if you wanted to come eat with me.
And then you're the man.
And you're the woman that ate food. What's funny?
Is that you gotta be joking right now.
No, I'm not joking.
Yes,
what do you mean? You ate. Did you or did you not eat?
Stop playing with me. Just pay the bill.
I'm not playing.
You are.
I'm not
you
playing
with me.
No, I'm not.
Stop playing
I'm
them
not
games.
playing.
You think you're funny. It's not even funny.
I'm not joking right now. You came out to eat and you ate $20 worth of food. Am I right or am I wrong?
Okay. Well, do you want me to order
did you or did you not
I didn't even
eat?
order dessert.
You ordered the bowl and you ordered the hash browns, and that's
Yes.
$18.75. Look it.
A bowl.
$18.75 with taxes. It was $3.86, so I'm just breaking it down. Split that up. $3.86. Half of that is almost $2. I'm thinking like $1.80 or something like that. So you owe $20.
It doesn't even matter what I order, why I didn't order. What I'm saying, why would I have to pay even half of it when you're here? That's what you're here for.
Nah, man. No. Yo. That feel kind of, it feels, you know, it feels a way, but I don't even know if I find a word for say it, you know. I don't know if I say it feel cringing or it feel binding or what. It just feels a way, it feels awkward. You see what I said to you? Now, me as a man sit down with a female, you see me? I mean, even if I'm not with the female or so forth, I mean, like $20, you see me? I mean, nah, be disrespectful, but you know, that's how me feel. It really make me feel this way, looking at this video. You see me? But anyways, make a look and see what I go on again.
I'm here. I asked you, did you want to go out to eat with me? I didn't say I was going to pay.
Oh, okay.
Is that common sense? Do you just go and sit down at restaurants and just figure that they're going to pay for you?
You just want to be put in the friend zone, right? Not even that. If you know what? Here. Whatever. I don't care.
What are you acting all? Why are you acting all weird like that?
I'm not acting weird. Just pay
No,
for
you
it.
got a little stank attitude.
Yes, of course I'm going to have an attitude.
See, I'm gonna tell you where I was a gentleman at, cause all them little bites that you ate off my French toast. No, hear me out.
No.
All them little bites, them bites you got off my plate. You know what I'm saying? That was technically like $5 off of my meal. I only ate like 66% of that French toast.
You offered me to grab some of your food.
No, you asked. You asked. You said, "Can I get a bite?"
No, you.
Okay, so
literally-
if the waiter comes around, so you tell me if the
Let's
waiter
look at
comes
the
around,
camera.
if the waiter comes around and be like, hey, would you like some dessert with that? Do you think she's just gonna give that to you for free? Exactly,
of
it's a
course.
price.
No, for real. Down to the bite off of the food the man talk about. Yo, Jano. You know, right now me I wonder if because, you see me? No, me never say if because. Me I wonder if this man is acting a certain way because maybe the female was not giving him the type of response that he wanted while they were out eating. You understand? Yeah, it had me thinking because me just don't see it. Why would a man do something like this to a female? You see what I say? So, you know, I'm saying that there must be a reason. You see what I say? There must be a reason. Observe with me again.
That comes
Of course,
behind
I have
that,
to
right?
say yes or no, and then I
Exactly.
say, okay,
And did you say yes when I offered you some French toast?
Yeah.
If I did, but I don't think I did.
You did.
Exactly. So you gotta pay. But I wasn't even on that. I was gonna
You know
waive
what?
that. I was gonna waive that. I was being a
Matter
gentleman.
of fact,
I was being a gentleman, and I was gonna waive
Matter of
that.
fact, this is the first and last time you take me on a date. Don't ever ask me again. Don't ever slide on my DMs. And you know what? Take your
cool with
card.
that.
Take your card. I'll pay for all of it. Matter of fact, yeah, I'll pay for all of it.
Cool. So you're gonna pay for the whole thing?
Yep, because that's how I am. I'm a boss. I don't. Never, y'all females, don't let a bro take you on a date. Yeah, never let a bro take you on a date.
That's what you on? Like that's why your edge is bogus. Your edges is bogus. Oh, that's what you on? I'm gone. You cool though? Yep, thank you for the food. I'm gone.
All right, bye, homie.
Viewers and subscribers, and I real do, you know. Maybe this man do not have any money, you know. Maybe the man might have a certain limit of money or so forth, you know. So me I say, I mean, sometimes we have to try and have an open mind towards things, you know. So me I say, maybe this man might be go through some things, you know, so me, and still want a little company. Maybe this person, you know, just don't have enough money on him at the time or something. Because it is possible for persons out there if they don't have money for real, you know. You see me? As much as I say $20, sometimes you have a lot of persons out there who cannot find $20 for themselves, much as to give to someone else, you know. You see me? But at the same time, enough comments had been made on social media about this video that gave me the understanding that many persons are saying, hey, then this man bring a female on a date and you know, then don't want to pay for the female's food. You see me? And at the same time, you have men or persons out there, you see me, I say, that are saying that nothing is wrong with what the man do. So you see how the world go? So, you know, I mean, some persons are against what he did, some persons are with what he did, and it's just different. You see me? So anyways, viewers and subscribers, I bring this video to you so that you can have a look at this video and you also can tell me what you think about some of the things that you saw and heard in this video that I just presented to you. Alright? Well, anyways, viewers and subscribers, I'm going to move on right about now, you see, and this is about something serious that happened. You see what I'm saying to you? Yeah, this is about a hurricane that made landfall in United States of America. You see me? This is about a hurricane that they call Hurricane Sally, and I'm going to present to you two pieces of videos that are out on social media, and you know, I'm going to put these two pieces of videos together and I'm going to present them to you. And according to what had been said on social media about these two pieces of videos, it is said that these two pieces of videos shows some things that happened within the United States of America because of Hurricane Sally. You see me? I saw an article from CNN, and according to how I understand some things that had been said in the article that I saw from CNN, I get the understanding that the article is saying that many persons near Florida/Alabama border had to be rescued from floodwaters because of Hurricane Sally on the 16th of September 2020. You see what I'm saying to you? Yeah. But anyways, viewers and subscribers, I'm going to present these two pieces of videos to you right about now. And you can also tell me what you think about these two pieces of videos and so on. And before I present these two pieces of videos to you, this is a warning that some of the scenes in these two pieces of videos might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised, alright? Now here are the videos. Take a look, listen, and observe with me.
That thing
a little weather in Florida today. Woo. It's bad.
Viewers and subscribers, and I really low. Is that an alligator or a crocodile? You see me? Because for some reason, you know, me get the alligator and crocodiles mix up sometime. Plus, you know, the video no give me a clear view if it's an alligator or crocodile. But looking at the shape of the animal, you see me? I said to you, you know, looks like a reptile. Definitely look like a reptile. And on social media, it is said that the animal that I saw in that video, it is said to be a crocodile. As I said to you, but I can't confirm if it is a crocodile. As I say, like I said, sometimes me get alligators and crocodiles mix up. You see me? But on a real still, viewers and subscribers, that happened during Hurricane Sally? Huh? People life in a danger in a every angle. I mean, the storm a blow plus animal they out in the weather like that, yo. No, man. No, it's not normal, viewers and subscribers, may I tell you. Respect Mother Nature, you hear? Respect Mother Nature. You see what I say? This is no joke, yo. Anyways, viewers and subscribers, let me know what you think about the videos that I just presented to you. You see what I say? Yeah, you don't know me, Dancehall Skilla. I'm only here to keep you up to date and post it and let you know what's going on, alright? And I want to say big up and respect to each and every one of you, my viewers and subscribers, alright? So until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. My name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up on yourself. You see it?
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skilla! Yeah, man, no. Hey, yo, Skilla! You are watching Dancehall Skilla.